the Pappula podi, first I am adding the roasted gram to the jar of a mixer. Next I am adding dry red chillies. Here instead of dry red chillies you can even add chilli powder. Next I am adding garlic. I am adding it with the skin. If you want you can peel and also add the skin. Then I am adding salt. If you want you can even add the copra or the dry coconut. I have not added. So now I am going to grind it to a smooth powder. So it's ground beautifully and our Pappula podi is now ready. So easy to make, but let me tell you, it tastes simply amazing. Whether you're eating it with rice or you're going to serve it along with your idli or dosa, it's just amazing, so tasty, a must try. Just 2 steps and 4 ingredients. I hope you try this recipe. Do share your feedback with me. I'll see you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, happy cooking. Stay safe, stay healthy.